Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, this follows what we have. A raised to power n plus n, same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This here, I write it as 5 raised to power x times 5 squared equals to 60 from here. This same thing as 5 raised to power x times 5 squared, 5 times 5, that's 25, equals to 60 on this side. Then here, divide both side by 25. Divide this side by 25. Also divide this side by 25. Here, 25 cancel each other. We have 5 raised to power x equals to 60 over 25. Then, next step here, I write this as 5 raised to power x equals to 5 times 12 over 5 times 5. This here 5 cancel each other. We have 5 raised to power x equals to 12 over 5. The next step, take the log on both sides here. This we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 12 over 5. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. And this here we have x log 5 equals to log 12 over 5 here. This follows when we have log a over b. This same thing as log a minus log b. This here we have x log 5 equals to log 12 minus log 5. This next step here, we divide both sides by log 5. This divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5, which implies here log 5 cancel each other. We have x equals to log 12 minus log 5 over log 5. The next step here, we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 12 over log 5 minus log 5 over log 5. This here, log 5 cancel each other here, one left here, which implies x equals to log 12 over log 5 minus 1. Then also here we can write 12 as 4 times 3, which implies we have x equals to log 4 times 3 over log 5 minus 1. This also follows the law of logarithm when we have log a times b. This same thing as log a plus log b. This here we have x equals to log 4 plus log 3 over log 5 minus 1. Then here we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 4 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5 minus 1. Then also here, can express 4 as 2 times 2, that's 2 squared. And this becomes x equals to log 2 squared over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5 minus 1. Then here we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here and we have x equals to 2 log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5 minus 1. We apply change of base here when we have log A over log B. This same thing as log A to base B. This here we have x equals to 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 1. This here we have the value of x here. Then let's check if it satisfies this given problem. Like this, substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 1. This here we have 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 1, then plus 2 here. This is equals to 60 on this side. That is, next step here, we have 2 minus 1, that's 1. We can write it as 5 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. This is equals to 60 on this side. Then we apply the law of indices. We have a raised to power n plus n. This same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This here we have 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power 2 log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5. This is equals to 60 on this side. Then 5 raised to power 1 here, that's 5. And times here we reverse this 2 from power log. We have 5 raised to power log 2 square, which is 4 base 5 times also 5 raised to power log 3 base 5 here. Is it equal to 60 on this side? This we apply the law of logarithm when we have a raised to power log b to base a. This same thing as b here. This we have 5 times 4 times 3. Is it equal to 60 on this side? 5 times 4, 20. 20 times 3, that's 60. Which is equals to 60 from here. Left hand side equals to the right hand side, and therefore conclude that x equals to 2 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 1. Satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up and put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.